Hi friends, this is Manigandan. Welcome to EV Analyst, Electric Vehicle Analyst. In this channel, we will be posting the latest update of electric vehicle. If you like the channel, please subscribe the channel to get more detail about electric vehicle. Today we are going to talk about top 5 electric two-wheelers in India. There are some scooters and bikes entered into the market with affordable price, and it has a decent service pack as well. Let's talk about top 5 electric two-wheelers in India. First one, we are going to see Ather 450 and 450X. Bangalore-based Ather Energy launched its first product in 2018 and it is called Ather 450. Now the startup company also launched the new scooter called Ather 450X. The Ather 450X have an Android-based user interface for the instrument console. The 7-inch touchscreen comes with auto-cancelling indicators and day and night mode, and it has a 4G connectivity features as well with the embedded SIM. It is powered by 2.9 kilowatts lithium-ion battery. The electric motor produces 6 kilowatts peak power and it produces 26 Newton meter of continuous torque. The Ather 450X can go from 0 to 40 kilometers in just 3.3 seconds and it can go 0 to 60 kilometers in 6.5 seconds. The top speed of this Ather 450X is 80 kilometers per hour and the range of this scooter will be 85 kilometers per hour, and the charging time for 15 kilometers in 10 minutes with a fast charger. Ather is offering unlimited kilometers warranty as a standard on the battery pack. This Ather 450X will be available in two variants. Those are Ather 450X Pro and Ather 450X Plus. The price of Ather 450 Plus will be 99,000 Indian rupees plus 1,699 monthly subscription or a 1.49 lakhs upfront price without subscription. The Ather 450X Pro will be around 99,000 Indian rupees plus 1,999 monthly subscriptions or 1.59 lakhs upfront pricing without subscription. Let's talk about next scooter, best scooter, Chetak EV, the Bajaj Chetak EV. The Bajaj Chetak is an Indian two-wheeler manufacturer, Bajaj Auto's first electric scooter. The Chetak available in two editions. One is Urban Edition, another one is Premium Edition. The Chetak electric scooter was launched in India this year. The scooter made with 12-inch wheels and single-sided front suspensions and single shock rear suspension. The main highlights of this electric scooter: it has a circular LED headlight, tail light, alloy wheels, full digital instrument panel, keyless ignitions, and etc. The instrument panel on the scooter provides details such as a battery range and real-time battery indicators. It is powered by 3 kilowatts lithium-ion battery and it is equipped with 4.08 kilowatts electric motor which makes 16 Newton meter of continuous torque. The Bajaj Chetak can accelerate from 0 to 40 kilometers in just 3.9 seconds and the top speed will be 80 kilometers per hour and the range will be 85 to 95 kilometers on a single full charge. The Bajaj Auto is offering scooter with 3 years and 3 years warranty or 50,000 kilometers warranty. The battery charging time of Bajaj Chetak is 5 hours and it can be charged up to 25% within 1 hour without any fast charger. The price of this Chetak Urban Edition with drum brakes will be 1 lakh rupees, whereas Premium Edition with disc brake will cost 1.5 lakhs. Next we are going to talk about TVS iQube. TVS launched the iQube electric scooter. The iQube is an electric scooter which looks like a regular scooter and it has a good fit and finish. The main highlights of iQube are it gets a fully digital instrument console, geofencing, navigations, overspeed alert, Bluetooth access, and so on. It gets TVS Smart Zonat technology, which helps the rider to use the apps and get the access of scooter statistics. The scooter available in two modes. One are economy mode, another one is power mode. The top speed of this electric scooter will be 78 km per hour and it can accelerate from 0 to 40 km in 4.2 seconds, and it is equipped with 4.4 kilowatts electric motor and it makes 140 Newton meter of continuous torque. The range of this scooter is 75 km. The battery can be charged fully in 6 hours with standard 5 ampere charger. The price of this TVS iQube electric will be 1.15 lakhs Indian rupees. Next we are going to talk about Revolt RV400. Revolt Motors is a bike manufacturer in India. The electric bike will be available with 3 riding modes: Eco, City and Sport. It is available in the range of 2 colors. One is Cosmic Red and another one is Rebel Black. The main highlights of this electric scooter: it has a swing arm, slick LED headlamp up front and a full LCD instrument cluster, keyless ignition and 4G connectivity. The RV400 is powered by 3.24 kilowatt swappable lithium ion batteries. The battery provides 6.7 bhp of maximum power, and the Revolt RV is equipped with 3 kilowatts electric motor which makes 170 Newton meter of continuous torque. The top speed will be 85 kilometers and the range will be 156 kilometers on a single full charge, and the battery charging time RV400 it takes around 4.5 hours to charge completely using 15 amp socket, and it can be simply swapped at the Revolt swap station as well. The Revolt RV is offering under the monthly subscription scheme. The battery warranty stands 8 years or 1.5 lakhs kilometers. The price of this electric bike RV400, it comes with price tag of 98,999 rupees. And the fifth one is Okinawa Price Pro. The Okinawa Autotalk is one of the more best electric two-wheeler brand in India. The company recently launched Okinawa Price Pro in India, which is its third model of price lineup. There is a LED lighting to begin with, a fully digital instrument console which shows the speed, battery level, trip, odometer and tail lamp, everything. The Okinawa Price is powered by 2 kilowatts lithium ion battery, and it gets DC BLDC motor which generate a 2.5 kilowatts power and 40 Newton meter of torque. It offers a range of 89 kilometers in sports mode and 110 kilometers with a regular mode. The top speed of Price Pro is 35 kilometers in economy mode, and it goes around 65 to 70 kilometers in sports mode. The Okinawa Price Pro is priced at 71,999 rupees. What do you think about this video? Please drop a comment below. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the channel, please subscribe the channel to get more detail about electric vehicle. Thank you.